Hello, good morning students. Today we start our 9th chapter, Respiration in Organisms. As we all know that all living beings that are surviving on the surface of earth, they require some functions to survive. Okay, so some of the various functions are for example, nutrition, excretion, growth, movement, transportation and respiration. So these all functions are provide energy to do work, okay, and the most important function is respiration, means all living beings can breathe, okay, and so it helps in the process of respiration which provides energy to our body. Okay, so without energy we can't do any work, okay, we can't do any work even when you are reading this book or when you watching TV, when you playing in the ground. So means everywhere we need energy to do any type of work or any type of physical activities, okay. So the definition of respiration is respiration which converts energy stored in food into a form which the body can use. Means respiration converts the respiration helps to convert a food energy into hello. हाँ जी मैम नो मैम